We are studying in Standard 9 and representing Standard Middle School. The topic of this model is using of wind energy to charge electric vehicles.
So in this model, we have firstly we have attempted to rotate the windmills by using the high pressure and low pressure concept of Bernoulli's theorem. So whenever the cars will move, they will create a low pressure zone, and the surrounding relatively high pressure air will rush to fill the gap and will thus make the windmills rotate. The rotating windmills will thus be connected to a battery, and they will be connected to wireless chargers. The wireless chargers will charge the electric vehicles whenever they will be in need.
So, when the electric car have less battery, they can change their lane to an electric lane where they can charge wirelessly while they are traveling to their destination. The main concept of this model that we have made is that to encourage the usage of electric vehicles and decrease the usage of fossil fuel cars. The materials which we have used in this project are DC motors, batteries, battery connectors, switch resistance, 22K resistance, 2N2222A resistor, transistor, insulated copper wire, and cardboard and styrofoam.
So we already observed that in highways, whenever we moved at high speeds, the trees which were at the dividers used to move. So we brought our concept from that idea, and we also saw that Apple used to make wireless chargers. So we studied about this and researched a bit. After that, we found out Faraday's law of electromagnetism, and we used this to make our wireless chargers.
Thank you.
My name is Milanpreet Singh Narula.
And my name is Sabit Suman.
So, this project is all about lightning conservation. In this project, I have used many observation, ideas and incidents. Yes, incidents. In 2018, Delhi, a man was talking on a phone, and the phone was releasing radiations. And it was raining cats and dogs and lightning too. So, the lightning attracted through the radiations, and the lightning struck on him. So using that incident, I have fitted a radiator on the top of the antenna to attract the light. Now, ideas. In class 8, 7th and 9th, we have studied that copper rod is a good conductor of electricity. So I have fitted a copper rod on the top of the antenna. Now I was having questions that how to control this large amount of electricity. So I have fitted a module on the top of the antenna. The module will work as an uneven distributor of voltage, and there are 4 wires. One blue and green wire is going in the earthing channel, and red and black wire is going in the battery channel. So by earthing channel, the module will work as an uneven distributor, and it will distribute more electricity in the earthing channel and less electricity in the battery channel. So by this way we can prevent the blast of battery or make the battery longer life. So I was having one more question that if I will use this high voltage in home or offices, will it not fluctuate? So I will use this electricity in those areas where high voltage area, like automobile factory and street lights. The law of this project is a law of conservation of energy. The material used is cardboard, switch, battery, sand, thermocol, and some resistors, and module, wire and iron wire, copper rod,